In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to set up the type of discounts that are multi-packs, and I'm going to use skull as an example. Let me grab my skull. So here's our skull, right? And 2 to 4 items should trigger $1 off, right? So here is my $1 off, and if I just keep going, here's my 4 items. Now, 5 items should trigger an additional $2.75. And so here it is. Now we have a discount that we're giving, the 2 of them. And both of these need to be reported. So one of them is for 2 items, and now that they bought 5, we're discounting $2.75 in addition to. And so how is this set up? Let me show you. If we go into discount scheduler, we navigate to, let's say I have this one here. So this right here needs to say, let's say mine's already converted to minutes, but you can just basically put in 24 hours like this, right? We want to make sure that the scan data is checked, that the recurring is checked, every day of the week is checked, no end is selected, and recur once, right? So right there, every week. And we put $1 in the amount and we hit next. It's going to give us this message about 24-hour max. That's perfectly fine. Now on this screen, we can choose either Altria or Reynolds, depends on who we're setting up. Let's say we also choose, let's go ahead and choose, for example, Altria here. We do want to put it on mix if, different kinds of flavors can be selected. We do want to make sure that it says account funded. And for 2 to 4, we're using this option right here. Trigger only once after first 2. So you just want to put a 2 in there and that's it. And account funded, mix, manufacturer, whoever it is who you're setting up, because you could be setting this up with Reynolds or Altria, and you put a 2 in there. All right, and then here we select the items. So I have my skull selected. All right, and that saves the first one. Now let's do the second one. The second one is right here. The way it's the same thing. So mine's already converted to minutes, 1438 minutes, and discount every like this, and then we go next. Now here again, manufacturer name, whoever you want, mix, account funded, and then you have 2 options, and this depends. The way that I have it set up, it's only going to discount on the 5 items and that's it. So let's say somebody's buying 10, they're not going to get an additional discount on that second 5. So it's just going to be the one time. If we want to keep discounting, for example, 5 gets a discount, 10 gets a discount, 15 gets a discount, you want to use this option. And you'll put a 5 right here, like that. If it's just 5 and nothing else, just this one 5, then this is the option right here. And you put it like that. Right, and that's it. It'll just trigger on the 5th item and it'll be done. So the first one will trigger on 2 items, this one will trigger on 5th item, and together will be, the discounts, and that's it.